Hi students, welcome back to SRDG PU College JEE coaching classes. I am Siddhaya, working as a senior maths faculty in SRDG PU College, HARIHAR. So this is the new episode. We came with binomial theorem. So today we are going to discuss the important concepts in binomial theorem. Watch the first question on the screen. The value of root 5 plus 1 whole power 5 minus root 5 minus 1 whole power 5 is option A 252, option B 352, option C 452, option D 532. Watch the board. See, the given expansion is root 5 plus 1 whole power 5 minus root 5 minus 1 whole power 5. It is in the form x plus a whole power n minus x minus a whole power n. Then we can write it is 2 times of 5c1 into root 5 whole power 4 plus 5c3 into root 5 whole square plus 5c5 into root 5 whole power 0. So this is the terms. Here 5c1, 5c3, 5c5. Even terms will remain. Odd terms will get cancelled by taking plus and minus. Hence, it is very easy to solve. Root 5 whole power 4 is 25. 25 into 5, that is 125, plus 5c3, that is equal to 5c2, that value 10. Root 5 whole square is 5. 10 into 5, 50, plus 5c5 value 1, and root 5 power 0 is also 1. Hence, 2 into 125 plus 50 plus 1, 176. 2 into 176 equal to 352. So the final answer is 352. Here you have to remember x plus a whole power n minus x minus a whole power n. Here 3 types of options they can give. That is x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n. That is one more problem. And x minus a whole power n minus x plus a whole power n. There is no difficulty, just you follow the what is the binomial expansion, write the 2 binomial expansions and continue the process. So the final answer is 352. Watch the next question. The coefficient of x power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus x square plus x cube whole power 6 is option A 144, option B minus 132, option C minus 144, option D 132. Watch the board. Dear students, given expansion 1 minus x square plus x cube whole power 6, it is multinomial, not binomial, multinomial. So multinomial expansions, and that too, this expansion has a special property. What is that? You can write it as 1 minus x into 1 minus x square. This base you can write it as 1 minus x square, x into 1 minus x square. So whole power 6. Now you got 2 binomial expansions. You can expand this 1 minus x whole power 6 is 6c0 minus 6c1 into x plus 6c2 into x square minus 6c3 into x cube plus 6c4 into x power 4 minus 6c5 into x power 5 plus 6c6 into x power 6. This is the binomial expansion of 1 minus x whole power 6. Now that is into 1 minus x square whole power 6, that is 6c0 minus 6c1 into x square. In place of x we have x square. Then here it will change as 6c2 into x power 4 minus 6c3 into x power 6 plus 6c4 into x power 8 minus 6c5 into x power 10 plus 6c6 into x power 12. So this is the second binomial expansion. The product of these two, in this number of terms will come. So in this terms, the question is coefficient of x power 7? That is the question. How to get the coefficient of x power 7? See here 1 is there. 1 into, in this x power 7 term we need, that is not there. Here x into, here x power 6 is there. So x into x power 6 will become x power 7. Hence we can take minus 6c1 into minus 6c3. That will become 6c1 into 6c3. Now the second term, x square into x power 5 we need to get x power 7. X square into x power 5 we need, that is not there. So that's why what we have to do, x cube into x power 4. Next term we have to continue, that is x cube into x power 4. Clearly x power 7, the coefficient is minus 6c3 into plus 6c2, minus 6c3 into 6c2. Now like this, if you continue, here x power 5 and x square, one more term we will get, the product will become x power 7. That will become minus into minus plus x power 5 into x square, x power 7, 6c5 into 6c1. Now if you do this solution, here it will become 6c1 value 6 and 6c3 value 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3, that is 20. So 6 into 20, 120 minus 6c3, 20 into 15, it will become 15. So 20 into 15, 300 plus 6c5 into 6c1, it is equal to 6c1 itself. 6 into 6, 36. So then total 156 minus 300, it will become minus 144. So what is the final answer here? Minus 144. Watch the next question. If the third term in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power m is minus 1 by 8 x square, then the rational value of m is option A 2, option B 1 by 2, option C 3, option D 4. Watch the board. Dear students, the given expansion is 1 plus x whole power m. In that third term is minus 1 by 8 x square. Then the value of m, that is the question. All of you know how to write the third term. T2 plus 1 we have to consider. T2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 by 8 x square. Tr plus 1. Now Tr plus 1 in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n is NCR. MC2 into first term is 1, second term is x square equal to minus 1 by 8 x square. Hence after some cancellations, 2. So here you can write MC2 is m into m minus 1 by 1 into 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Then here after cancellation we are getting 4. By taking the cross multiplication, 4m square minus 4m, here minus 1 is there. If you write left hand side, it will become plus 1 equal to 0. Clearly it is the algebraic expansion 2m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Hence from this what you can write, 2m minus 1 equal to 0. Hence m equal to 1 by 2. The rational value of m, that is the question. Hence what is the rational value of m? 1 by 2. So rational value, don't think it is only for integers. M is representing any rational index also. So in binomial theorem, rational index concept also very important. So what is the answer for this m? 1 by 2. In that third term is minus 1 by 8 x square. Watch the next question. The coefficient of x power n in the expansion of a minus bx by e power x is option A minus 1 whole power n by n factorial into b plus an. Option B minus 1 whole power n by n factorial into a plus bn. Option C minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n factorial into a plus bn. Option D, none of these. Watch the board. Dear students, in this expansion, coefficient of x power n we have to find. It is not looking like binomial expansion directly. But here, what is the important thing? A minus bx is a linear polynomial, and e power x you can write it as e power minus x. Exponential function having one expansion. What is that? E power x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on up to infinity. Like this. In place of x, what we have here? Minus x. If you replace in place of x minus x, then a minus bx into, it will become 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on up to, you take some terms, minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial, and nth term also you take plus minus 1 whole power n into x power n by n factorial plus so on up to infinity. So you can close the bracket here. Now these are the terms in the expansion of e power minus x. Now see, if you multiply each and every term with a and bx, we need only coefficient of x power n. When we will get coefficient of x power n means here x is not there. Hence you can take only 1 into x power n term. So what is the x power n term here? Minus 1 whole power n by n factorial into a. So a into minus 1 whole power n by n factorial. This is the coefficient of x power n. Again, here x term is there. This x term we will multiply with x power n minus 1. Then it will become x power n. Hence, minus b into minus 1 whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial into x power n. So this is the term we will get the as coefficient of x power n. So what it will become? Here already we have minus 1 whole power n. Here minus into minus 1 whole power n minus 1 will become minus 1 whole power n only. Hence you can write it as minus 1 whole power n by n factorial you take common. N factorial I am taking common. Then it will become a. It will become plus b by, here n minus 1 factorial is there. So hence we will multiply and divide with n. It will become bn. Then only it will become n factorial. Hence what is the coefficient of x power n? Minus 1 whole power n by n factorial into a plus bn. Here what we have to observe, not only coefficient of x power n, they can ask any coefficient of x power n form. According to that, we have to take the multiplications. So what's the next question? If the expansion in power of x of the function 1 by 1 minus ax into 1 minus bx is a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on, then an is option A, b power n minus a power n by b minus a. Option B, a power n minus b power n by b minus a. Option C, a power n plus 1 minus b power n plus 1 by b minus a. Option D, b power n plus 1 minus a power n plus 1 by b minus a. Watch the board. Hey students, the given expansion is 1 by 1 minus ax into 1 minus bx, and the function after expansion it will become like this. Then the term an asking, an means it is the coefficient of x power n, x square coefficient a2, x cube coefficient a3, like that x power n coefficient will become an. So what we have to find? To find an, we have to find coefficient of x power n. Now see how to write this one. 1 minus ax power minus 1 into 1 minus bx power minus 1. So the expansion of this one is 1 plus ax plus a square x square plus a cube x cube plus so on up to infinity, because it is a negative index. So up to infinity it will go. Next 1 minus bx whole power minus 1 will become 1 plus bx plus b square x square plus b cube x cube plus so on up to infinity. In this we have to find coefficient of x power n. So what is the coefficient of x power n? Coefficient of x power n equal to, here 1 is there, so multiply with x power n coefficient in this term. So what is x power n coefficient? B power n. Here x power 1 is there, multiply with x power n minus 1 coefficient, then it will become a into b power n minus 1 plus x square into x power n minus 2 coefficient b power n minus 2. So that is a square into b power n minus 2. If you observe here, power of b will decreasing and power of a will increasing. Hence, it will go a power n. So this is one algebraic expression and very important algebraic expression. This one we can write it as b power n plus 1 minus a power n plus 1 by b minus a. So directly I am writing, but you can verify this one with by taking very least values of n, that is b square minus a square by b minus a and b cube minus a cube by b minus a and b power 4 minus a power 4 by b minus a. Like that also you can verify. So these two are the expansions with negative index. After that we are collecting only coefficient of x power n. You can write this one as b power n plus 1 minus a power n plus 1 by b minus a. What's the next question? If the coefficients of x power 7 and x power 8 in 2 plus x by 3 whole power n are equal, then n is option A 56, option B 55, option C 45, option D 15. What's the board? The given expansion is 2 plus x by 3 whole power n. Coefficient of x power 7 equal to coefficient of x power 8. Then we have to find the value of n. So see here, coefficient of x power 7 means clearly the second term is x only. Hence we will get x power r term. That terms only we have to consider. So here we will get t r plus 1 means t 8th term, t r plus 1 means t 9th term. So we will take the coefficients of that one. So what it will become? nc 7 into 2 power n minus 7 into x by 3 whole power 7. So what is the r here? 7. Like that. nc 8 into 2 power n minus 8 into x by 3 whole power 8. Now here x power 7, x power 8. Only the coefficients are equal. Hence we can eliminate these two terms with coefficients. The coefficients are nc 7 into 2 power n minus 7 into 1 by 3 power 7 equal to nc 8 into 2 power n minus 8 into 1 by 3 power 8. Hence now x power 7, x power 8 coefficients only equal. That only I am collecting. Now here nc 8 by nc 7, keep it as one term, and 2 power n minus 7 is there, already we have. Hence by dividing with this one it will become minus n plus 8, and here 3 power 7, 3 power 8, the remaining is 3. So 1 by 3 it will become by cross multiplication 3. 2 power 8 minus 7, 1. So n minus n will get cancelled. 2 into 3, 6. So now we got one more new formula. What is that? nc r by nc r minus 1. That is n minus r plus 1 by r. And so what is the r here? In place of r we have 8. R minus 1 is 7. That is n minus 8 plus 1 by 8. Hence, 8 into 6, 48 equal to n minus 7. Then clearly you can tell the value of n. 48 plus 7, that is 55. Hence, the final answer is n equal to 55 if the coefficient of x power 7, coefficient of x power 8 are equal. In this, we have to learn this formula, very very important. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. What's the next question? The coefficient of x power 5 in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 21 plus 1 plus x whole power 22 plus so on plus 1 plus x whole power 30 is option A 51C5, option B 9C5, option C 31C6 minus 21C6, option D 30C5 plus 20C5. What's the board? Dear students, the given expansion is 1 plus x whole power 21 to 1 plus x whole power 30. In this, we have to find only the coefficient of x power 5. This we have to find. Remember here 1 plus x whole power n. In this, coefficient of x power r means NCR. Very very standard one it is. Coefficient of x square is NC2. Coefficient of x cube is NC3. Coefficient of x power 4 is NC4. Like that. Here we have to find coefficient of x power 5. Here what is n? 21. Hence, the coefficient of x power 5 is 21C5. In this expansion, 22C5. Like this, till 30C5 we will get. This is the coefficient of expansion, coefficient of x power 5. Hence, here options are not like this. To convert into these options, here we have to apply some properties of binomial coefficients. What are that? See here, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. Hence, by applying this one to frame into this form, here you add one term. What is that? 21C6. Add and subtract minus 21C6. Then NCR minus 1. You can write these both together. N plus 1 CR, that is 22C6. Hence, by taking these two, NCR minus 1 plus, then it will become 23C6. Like that. If you continue, finally we will get 30C6 plus 30C5. This is the final term. Hence, these two will get 31C6. So, like this, in a chain way, we have to complete that one. That is 31C6 minus 21C6. That is the final answer. So, which formula we applied here? So, here third option we are getting. Which formula? NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. If you have command on this type of formulas, then you can modify the solution like anything. What's the next question? The middle term of expansion 10 by x plus x by 10 whole power 10. Option A 7C5, option B 8C5, option C 9C5, option D 10C5. What's the board? These students, the given expansion 10 by x plus x by 10 whole power 10. Here the question is middle term. So middle term we have two formulas. If n is even, then n by 2 plus 1th term is the middle term, and if n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 by 2th term. These two are the middle terms. So what is the case here? We have even case because n equal to 10. Even case means, so in place of n, if you take 10 by 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So what you will get answer? T6 is the middle term. So hence what is T6? T6 equal to T5 plus 1, that equal to NCR. NCR, what is R here? 5. NCR into first term power R into second term power n minus R. 10 minus 5 is 5 only. Clearly x power 5 will get cancelled. 10 power 5 will get cancelled. The final answer will remain 10C5. So remember these two formulas. Middle term, if n is even, n by 2 plus 1th term is the middle term. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 by 2th term are the middle terms. What's the next question? C0 by 1 plus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 plus so on plus Cn by n plus 1 equal to option A 2 power n by n plus 1, option B 2 power n minus 1 by n plus 1, option C 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, option D none of these. What's the board? Dear students, now in competitive exams maximum properties of binomial coefficients, on this concept only number of questions they are asking. This is one model of that question. C0 means NC0, C1 means NC1, so CR means NCR. This is the representation. Hence, this type of problems, there is differentiation or integration methods to frame this one, but it's better to go for verification method in competitive exam. So what is that verification? The minimum verification we have to consider n equal to 2. If you consider n equal to 2, it will become 2C0 by 1 plus 2C1 by 2 plus 2C2 by 3. See, till here only we can consider the terms if n equal to 2. 2C3 we can't consider because n is always greater than or equal to r. Now, if you solve this one, 2C0 value 1, 1 by 1, 1, 2 by 2, 1 plus 2C2 is 1, 1 by 3, then 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, the final value is 7 by 3. So now this verification we will verify with options. See here, if you take n equal to 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3. So this value is 4 by 3 if n equal to 2. So it is wrong. We need the answer 7 by 3. Hence, come here, option B, 2 square 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 by 3, that will become 1. This is also wrong. Then here 2 plus 1, 3, 2 cube 8, 8 minus 1, 7 by 2 plus 1, 3. So this is the correct option. If you got any two options are correct in these four options, then go for next number n equal to 3. That verification you do it. Like this, we can do this problem in a simple manner by verification method. So what is the correct option now? Option C, 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. What's the next question? In the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, the sum of coefficients of odd powers of x is option A 2 power n plus 1, option B 2 power n minus 1, option C 2 power n, option D 2 power n minus 1. What's the board? Students, 1 plus x whole power n, nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus 1 ncnx power n. So all of you know this one very well. Hence here, if you take 1 plus 1 whole power n, then in place of x I am replacing 1. It will become nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus 1 up to ncn. So here 2 power n equal to, in a simple manner we can write c0 plus c1 plus c2 plus 1 plus cn. Like this. In the same way, if you substitute in place of x minus 1, it will become 1 minus 1 whole power n, then nc0 minus nc1 plus NC2 minus NC3 plus so on up to minus 1 whole power NCN we will take, minus 1 whole power n NCN. So this value will become 0. Hence it is 0 equal to C0 minus C1 plus C2 minus C3 plus so on up to minus 1 whole power n Cn. So this is the value. So nothing difficult here. Put x equal to 1 one time, put x equal to minus 1. Hence we are getting two equations. In this you want sum of coefficients of odd powers of x. Coefficients of odd powers of x means x power 1, x power 3. What are that? NC1, NC3. Those terms. To get NC1, NC3, these terms, what we have to do from these two equations? Take 1 minus 2. If you take 1 minus 2, you are getting the terms C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus so on 2 times equal to 2 power n plus 0 or minus 0. So clearly we are taking minus 0, so 2 power n. Hence from 1 and 2 we are getting this term. Hence if you observe here clearly, see this one, C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus so on equal to 2 power n by 2, that is equal to 2 power n minus 1. Hence this is the final answer for sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x, NC1, NC3, NC5, that sum is 2 power n minus 1. Not only odd powers, even powers also, the answer is 2 power n minus 1 only. Remember this concept, very, very important. Dear students, in end of the episode, every episode we are giving one question for students. You have to solve that question and you have to send the answers via SMS. Watch your question on the screen. The value of 10C1 plus 10C2 plus 10C3 plus so on plus 10C9 is option A 2 power 10 minus 1, option B 2 power 10, option C 2 power 11, option D 2 power 10 minus 2. Send your answers via SMS in the following format. Type SRDG -MAT-03 and your option A or B or C or D. Send it to 888-4486915. First 3 SMS senders with right option will get a gift. Dear students, we will wait for your answer to give the gifts. And in next episode with a new topic, I will catch you. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Vignadayini Residential School, KR Nagar, Harihar. Admissions open from nursery to 10th CBSE syllabus. Srimati Radhabai D. Gopal Rao PU College. Admissions open for PUC Science and Commerce. And Vignadayini Degree College. Admissions open for BCom and BA. Contact today 94481 15118.